If you need to test multiple conditions, you can use the if function along with and or. And if your logical test contains the and function, Excel returns true if all the conditions are met, otherwise it returns false. Example, you have points for game 1, 2 and 3 in columns B, C and D. The team will be qualified to play the tournament only if they have points equal to or more than 50 in game 1, 300 in game 2 and 500 in game 3. Use this formula. And returns true only if all conditions are met, else false. The if function returns yes if and returns true, else no. Only teams meeting all the conditions will show as qualified. Excel checks all conditions even if one of the already tested condition is false. So sometimes a formula might return an error even though it might look okay. For example, this formula checks if the value in A2 is not 0 and then returns good if 1 by A2 is greater than 0.5, else bad. But when the value in A2 is 0, we get a divide by 0 error. To avoid this, use a nested if function. Or. In case you use the OR function in the logical test, Excel returns true if any of the condition is met, else false. For example, the team will be qualified to play the tournament if they have equal to or more points, more than 50 in game 1 or 300 in game 2 or 500 in game 3. You can use this formula. If you need to evaluate multiple sets of conditions in a single if statement, you can use and or functions. For example, students are declared as pass if they have marks of 50 or more in Math 1 and Math 2 or Physics and Chemistry. You can use this formula. Enclose the two AND conditions in the OR function. You can use AND OR in any way you want, as many times based on the business logic. For example, to mark all the flowers which are either lily or tulip and yellow or pink and stock is less than 10, use this formula. To download example Excel file, please click on the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.